See, he's got his potatoes there. And the machine's there collecting it. So 2 types of potatoes.
Isn't that?
But then they've also gone right the way down to, you know where she lives down at the end?
Yeah.
All the way down there has all been potatoes too.
Is that whole pig?
Not our chicken.
So half of this field's gone for Walker's potatoes.
Yeah, definitely.
What's it on?
Put it out with you.
Yes,
There
that's
we
a
go.
nice size.
Potatoes.
Has it gone a bit
Take
funny?
potato
Yeah,
there, that one's got crush.
where the thing's got it,
That
yeah.
one's got crush.
Yeah, this one has, look.
Then does it undertake?
And it takes something like that other one, goes in empties. Then that one will come back and fill that one up.
Darwin. They know the farmer or the field, so it's all right. There we go. Should be tipping them in there now. Oh, I can't really see because I'm at the wrong angle. There you go. You might find this video very boring and uninteresting, but potato harvesting. Can't really see the potatoes going in, but you get the idea. That's a big potato, isn't it? There's potatoes everywhere. Look, there, everywhere. Literally, loads of them. Literally. No, front bit's obviously the stubble up the front. Cool. Right. See you later.